Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, another skincare rescue 101, and this time I have a special co-host right here. Ta-da! Tell them who you are.
Hi everyone, my name's Faye. I've known Steve for a long time. And
My little sister.
So good to see her again.
I know. Oh my god, I look better than you though. I don't know how that happens.
Oh.
Oh yeah, okay, let's focus today. So Faye, she moved to New York for a couple of years, right?
I've been here for 4 years.
4 years now, and then as big sister, I'm a big brother. I'm the skincare expert, and I know that you have some question regarding the skincare.
Yeah.
Yes. So talk to me.
So I have a little bit of premature aging. I'm turning 26 this year. I've got like...
Hold please. I'm exactly 20 years older than you. Just want to say that. Okay, back to your premature age.
But you still look younger than me because you're so talented at skincare and beauty.
Oh really? Oh, thank you. Okay.
Yes. But yeah, so I've got like some like minor fine lines showing here.
Okay.
I get like a little bit of acne around my nose.
Around your nose. Okay.
And just like you know, like a little bit of oiliness, some dryness here, but. And like pores, I would say. So pores. Like pores, combination skin, and like some like fine lines showing here.
I'm laughing is because the reason I want to do this is because you are just like the people watching the video right now. This is real. That you have a different concern. It's not just one. There's a lot of concerns in there. So typically when that happens, I want to just let you know, there's no way you can address all of them.
Right.
So you typically pick one or two to work on that. So between the fine line, large pores, what else? Dryness, oily on the right over here, premature Asian. All that, which one bothers you the most right now?
I think pores.
Pores,
yeah,
okay.
Pores. Just because, like, I mean, you know, just for you today, I like to, you know, did my face all nice and everything, but
nobody watched this video, don't worry.
Oh, but typically, you know, like I have like a really busy schedule. Like I put my hair up, like I'll do like some sunscreen. That's it. And it's just nice to like not have like giant pores saying hello to the world. Like,
oh, you know, I know.
Holes
Hi,
everywhere.
I'm Mini Faye. Hi.
I'm leaving.
I need you for this video. That's all.
Okay,
just for today. Yeah. Okay. Where do you see the pores mostly?
I would say my nose is like the primary area, and then I mean, like when I was like 16, I had really bad acne, so I have like some like larger pores like around here.
I see.
But mainly my nose.
Mainly your nose.
Yeah.
Okay. So and then your condition for your skin, you say you're oily right here, dry right here, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So one thing that you before I show you my recommendation, show me what you're using right now.
I always start my face with this IPSA. It's like a skin
so pretty
lotion, I guess, like a treatment. And
this is Asian brand, right?
Yes, it's Japanese.
Yeah.
And so it's like really, really lightweight, not too much scent. And I just find it's really good for just controlling oil, and also if I don't have time to, you know, do a full face, I just slap this on and it just does a great job.
It feels really good.
Typically then I follow with this one. It's like a little Japanese like drugstore brand called Leaf and Botanical. It's a toner, and I use this after.
Face water sake.
And this is mainly just really good for some lightweight moisturization. I find it does really good work for me after I have the
for hydration.
Yes.
Okay, I just feel that.
Afterwards, I follow with a.
Oh my god, it smells like sake.
Yeah, it's really good. This is just like a serum, and I just put this on after, you know, all the waters.
I see.
And it's like I sit in for a little bit, and I remember this one's also good for just moisturization and like a little bit anti-aging. This brand IPSA, they're really known for being kind of like, I'd say like 20 to like mid 30s. Good for oil. They have really good acne products, which I love. And then I follow with another IPSA.
Wow, you really like the brand.
I
you
really
can
like
get this
them.
here, right? You get it from Asia, right?
So I buy it when I'm in Japan, but for this one, I found a website. I forgot the name, but they sent it over to me from Tokyo. And so this moisturizer, this one in particular, is great for acne skin. And then if I wear makeup, because my skin, like, it gets all crazy, like sometimes dry here and not there, so I use this Paul and Joe face treatment oil.
Oh, don't you love their package? It's so
It's
cute.
so nice.
Paul and Joe, I mean, in the US, you can't really find their beauty product, but they're just so pretty. Why it's not focused? Oh, because we're too pretty, so the camera's not focusing. Okay, we're gonna do a close shot later for you guys. So that's a cleansing oil. Okay.
Well, no, this is my, like, face oil.
Oh, face oil. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
But I only use this if I'm using, like, cream. Like today, I did, like, a cream highlight, and so this helps it blend easier without looking super heavy.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's my daily routine. And as far as sunscreen, I just use whatever. I'm not too picky.
Okay. So I definitely feel like, even though I don't know the brand that she's using, but by playing and trust, like, I put so many already, it's really, really lightweight. So that's good, but I feel like you're not that oily. So what happened is that you're oily in certain area, but using the very lightweight product all over the place. So with the dryness, you're gonna feel drier. You're not putting enough. So I'll probably, like, a lot of time when you guys doing skincare, you don't need to throw away everything. Just maybe add one thing in there or change how you use the product. So immediately I would say the oil, use a little bit more on a daily basis on the cheek area.
Okay.
Because everything is so light. So you're not getting enough hydration in certain areas. So that can be the hydrator.
Oh, so I can use skincare for, like, separate areas.
Several area,
Oh,
yes.
I never knew that.
You really didn't know that?
Yeah, no, I had no idea. I've
And
always.
you're my sister? Seriously? Don't you not watch my video? But no, seriously, that's what you can do. So I will change it. And then I want to show you a couple products that I picked up for you from Sephora, so you can take home later.
This
So
is
you
why I
can-
love her. She's so good to me. She's the sister I never had.
Okay, so hold please. I think what I recommend for you right now is that
Okay.
the pores. One thing people don't realize that our skin when we're younger, there's no the pores. There are pores right now, you just don't see it. As we get older, because the breakout or anything, it stretches the skin, so pores become scarring. So what you have is a scar on the skin right here. Once you have a scar like that, it's literally impossible to make it disappear.
Okay.
Unless you do Botox, or they can shot the hyaluronic acid shot on inside the pores, pump the skin out.
Okay.
So everything you show me right now, I don't see anything to exfoliate the skin.
Right.
So you'll have to exfoliate, because if you don't exfoliate, nothing will go in there deep enough. So even though they're more watery product, but they're all pretty much going probably less than 20%. So not getting the full effect. So I got this for you, is by Dr. Dennis Grove. I've been using their product. I don't love all of them, but I found this one's really good. And they're having sales. Sorry guys, by the time you watch the video, sales is gone, but this is a great value. It's $88, value for $118.
Oh,
There's
wow.
3-piece sets in there. Let me show you.
Correct.
So it's pretty much, so alpha, it's kind of A is above. So it's exfoliate anything above the skin.
Okay.
And beta, it's also beneath. So this is work on clean the surface and beneath the skin. So that what helps.
Okay.
Definitely help you for that. But what I love is this pad. Oh, you never tried this pad before?
Not this one.
Oh, this is so good. So I'm gonna just open it, okay? Because I want to show you guys.
Yeah.
So this is coming in how many pieces? 30 pieces in there, 35 pieces. You're supposed to use daily, but I think it's a little bit too strong. So use as needed. So it's coming with 2 pack. Number 1 is exfoliating. Number 2 is the anti-aging. So after you do cleanse and toner, then we can do a little test right now. So we're gonna pull out the first pack. So watch this. Turn this around. Use this.
Okay.
So you're gonna use this on the skin, just massage like that.
Okay.
So this will take away all the surface roughness, dead skin. If you have any breakouts, it will help you unclog the pores. And I always do behind the ear. because
Okay.
you know you don't want
Right, just
nasty
the touch.
here. Yes. So after you do that, show them your hand. And give me that hand. You can see a difference already.
Oh yeah, it's like much brighter.
Yeah, and then my little tip for this, if I have a little boo-boo on my skin, sometimes I just close this and put it right here like Band-Aid. Right here. It's like
And how long do you leave it on for?
a few minutes.
Okay.
And after that, you can do the second one. So this one has a different anti-aging ingredient in there, so it activates it better for your
Okay.
skin. So let's try this. So you put this again, just very gentle, don't be too hard. And definitely avoid the eye area. Okay? So look at your skin. And look at that hand. Okay, now the best part I want to show you is like, give me one of your lotion.
Okay.
The lotion water thing. Okay, this one. So let's put this right here, okay? Okay, give me this again. Put this like this, yeah. I don't know if you can see it. So, I don't know. Hold on. Just stay there. I'm going to move my camera a little bit. Sorry, guys. I have to show you this way. So, can you just stay there, okay? Can you guys see it? The hand with the treatment, your lotion is already absorbing to the skin.
Wow.
See the hand without the treatment. I don't know. Can you see the lighting is so bad? You can see the
Yeah,
water
it's
is
still
sitting
there.
sitting right there. So imagine you're using all this really nice product. You're not exfoliating, so everything sit on top. But now, even you do this, watch. That's what you do, right?
Right.
It's sitting on tops. But this one, it's all inside the skin.
It's also very smooth.
Mm-hmm.
Like I see that it's like this one has droplets.
Yeah, because there's a dead skin surface on there. So now you polish out everything, so everything go right into the skin.
Oh.
Ta-la! I
Something
know.
completely new.
I'm so smart, right? Try it. I know some people say you can be a little bit sensitive. So if that happens, instead of doing a lot, just maybe just glide once and twice, like cotton pepper.
Yeah.
Don't do too much. You're really, really gonna love this.
Okay.
And this also comes with a moisturizer. Again, I never tried this before. It's the Alpha Beta exfoliating moisturizer. Give it a try. See how you like it. I'm not sure about this, but. So when you have a line going horizontal, when you use anything, you want to go opposite, so it's vertical. So you want to do it this way. So don't polish out the lines. Look at my skin. Do you see any fine line on my skin?
Oh no, none at all, honey. Smooth.
You guys like, oh god, I'm going to turn this off. But I really think that this will help you because I think everything uses great, but usually you hide. So you want to use the oil on the cheek area, but maybe at nighttime use this treatment thing, polish off.
Okay.
I will recommend you to see the full effect, only to half the face with this tonight. So when you put product in there, you can see the difference. And tomorrow you'll be like, oh, okay, I see a difference. If you use the entire face with the product, sometimes you don't even see difference. So give it a try.
Got it. I will do that.
You do that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll send you an update.
You send me an update.
Yeah.
So, any other question? That's it. That's good, right?
Yeah, it feels amazing. I mean, I mean,
Still, look at, you can still see it. It's really cool.
yeah, it's crazy.
Yes.
My hand looks 10 years younger.
So just when you're walking like this, hi, I'm Faye.
I'll just have my hair down like this. Just, oh.
So silly. Oh, thank you so much for being on my channel.
Of course.
I really appreciate it. I know, you know, New York girlie are very busy. It's like hard for her to get here, but thank you so much.
Of course, what's for you, love?
Oh, thank you. We do this in my hotel. It's kind of weird hotel looking, but that's okay. Who was that behind you the whole time?
Oh, it's just my younger self
So
coming to see me before I turn 26.
when you turn 26?
June 25th.
Oh, that's why you're going to Barcelona.
Mm-hmm.
I love Barcelona. All right, so give me a hug.
Of
Thank you so
course.
much. 谢谢你，真的是 I really appreciate you come over here.
Of course.
All right, so thank you guys for watching my skincare rescue. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to follow all my social media right here and check out my Instagram account for Skin by Steve Jen right here. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.
Bye, everyone.